First of all, let's create a new Flutter project. By default, there are some code in the new project, so I will edit it and create two pages. The first one only has a button and is shown when the app be launched. The second one is the map page and will be shown when the button in the first page be clicked. To show the Google Map, I will import Google Maps Flutter package, which is developed by offshore Flutter team. It is a plugin for integrating Google Maps in iOS and Android applications. Here we'll show how to set up the API key for Android and iOS. This API key I got is from Google Cloud Platform, and in the GCP, I also set the Maps SDK for Android, Maps SDK for iOS to be enabled. From now, I can use Google Map widget provided by Google Maps Flutter package. So let's show Google Map by using it. The map is shown successfully. I also want to try to change the map type, put a marker in map, use zoom gesture, and show my location. get the device location. The permissions is required. For iOS, I will add the info plist file. For Android, I will add the Android manifest XML file. And for dealing with runtime permissions, here I use the permission handler package. Okay, now I can show my location in Google Maps for iOS and Android. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.